Hey, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech news and updates. Today, we have some exciting news about the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro. If you're a fan of smartphone photography, you're going to love this one. Let's dive in. With the iPhone 16 announcement just around the corner, more reports are giving us a clearer picture of Apple's upcoming flagship. This time, Digitimes corroborates a recurring rumor that the iPhone 16 Pro will feature one of the iPhone 15 Pro Max's best features, a 5x telephoto optical zoom camera. According to the report, Taiwanese manufacturers Largan Precision and Genius Electronic Optical (GSEO) are said to be the main suppliers for the iPhone 16 Pro's tetraprism camera components. Largan was already the supplier of the iPhone 15 Pro Max's periscope lenses, which means they have a proven track record. GSEO, on the other hand, is currently undergoing validation. If they get Apple's approval, they could significantly boost the availability of these advanced lenses for the iPhone 16 Pro. Production is expected to begin in mid-July, so things are moving quickly. So, what does this mean for you, the user? Well, the 5x telephoto optical zoom camera will allow for even more detailed and higher quality zoomed-in photos. Whether you're capturing distant landscapes or snapping close-ups of your favorite moments, this feature is going to take your photography to the next level. Just imagine the possibilities with a 5x optical zoom. You can get up close and personal without sacrificing image quality. This feature was a standout on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and we're thrilled to see it making its way to the iPhone 16 Pro. That's all for today's update on the iPhone 16 Pro's new telephoto camera. Are you excited about this feature? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, stay tech savvy.